Hey, you guys. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. Um, my name is Brandy. I have a Poshmark closet, Naughty Aquarius. And I do resell part-time. And I decided to get a reseller box from gtrading. I got the 10-piece Revolve and Nordstrom box, and I've got it in, and I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys what I got and what I think about it. So I'm gonna jump right on in. Well, I already opened it, but it came packaged. You know, the first thing I got is this little mailer, and it has a lot of neat little facts on it about reselling clothes and how it's good for the environment, of course. And if you're not happy with your order, it also gives you a little, you know, they'll make it right if you're not happy. So that's a plus. So, first thing is I have some, in this package, it's a pair of Pistola jeans. And it looks like they've got some rhinestones on the side. Everything in this box should be new with tags. These are a size 24. And these are really nice. I like them. I'm not sure how much they retail for or how much I'll sell them for, but I'm gonna say maybe at least 50. Let's see. Okay, I've got an English factory extra small tags, and it looks like a little dress. It's really cute. I don't know how, okay, there we go. It's really cute. I don't know, I would say maybe 30-ish. And I think English Factory is a Nordstrom or a Nordstrom brand. Pistola, I'm not sure. Maybe a Revolve brand. And extra small, and these pants are pretty small too. I know a lot of people don't do great with smaller brands, with smaller sizes, but I actually do okay with them. And whatever I don't, that's like extra small. I have 2 daughters that are extra small, so that works for me. I've got another English Factory small tags, and like I said, everything in this box should have tags. But it's just a little dress, tie waist. It's got ruffles down here at the bottom, very cute. Ruffle sleeves, very cute, very feminine. Zipper back, very cute. I'm not sure on this one, maybe 40 on this one. I'm trying to do the math in my head and make sure. Okay, I think if I could, yes. So even if I could sell these at what I think I can sell them at, I'm already in profit from buying the box. I think I bought the box, even with tax and shipping, it was like $94. I had a 25% discount, and I think it was like 100. I don't really remember, but so that's a small, no, yeah, that'll be profit. Yeah, I'm not great at math without a calculator, but so even with just these 3 pieces, I'm doing okay. Let's see. All right. Here is a Veronica beard. It says it's a 00. New with tags. And it's got, well, it's black. It's got a slip in here. It's really nice. It looks like maybe good for holiday party, New Year's, and it's got a price tag on it. It's Nordstrom Rack. It's regular $650. It was on sale for $199.97. So if I, if I could sell it for that, of course I'm gonna be in the profit. You can see the metallic, really pretty. I think that would look great for New Year's or holidays coming up. All right, here is Cooper Street. It's like a wide leg, let me see it, wide leg jumpsuit. That's the back. It's got a really pretty, like this tie. It's really pretty. V-neck, strappy, little wide leg number here. Really pretty. Where'd the tag go? Let me see if it has a price tag in it. No price tag. But shoot, I don't know, maybe at least 50. At least 50 for this one. Really pretty. More summery, but it's coming up. All right. Oh, and that one was, what size is it? I think it said a size 4. Yes, a USA size 4 for the jumpsuit. This is another English factory. And this is a size small, new with tags. And it's a little strappy, kind of a t-shirt top with little faux snaps. They don't really snap, just faux snaps. But it's got a little tool on it, and like a t-shirt dress kind of, but with tulle on it. Really cute. I think maybe, I don't know, 30 maybe. And everything on my Poshmark is negotiable, but I might list that for 30. Really cute. Here's a sequin dress. So this is endless rose. Pretty sequin. Good for holidays or New Year party coming up. Look how pretty that is. Really shimmery. Zips in the back. No pockets. It is a size, endless rose, size small. No price on this one, but I would say, I don't know what I'll list it for, maybe $75. And of course, you know, I'll do comps and everything on them. I just don't know right offhand. I'm just guesstimating. Okay. This is a line and dot, and this is a medium. Tag. Oh, is that, yeah, it's got pockets. You gotta love a skirt with the pockets. And this is a real pretty brocade, I guess. Ivory and gold. Also something really pretty for the holiday coming up, Christmas, New Year coming up. Really pretty. Zip back. And I might list this for 50. Let's see what else. All right, we've got endless rose, and that's an extra small. I don't actually have good luck with the extra smalls. Smalls, mediums, I don't have a problem selling those. Obviously the larger sizes for me sell better, but I don't have a problem selling the smalls and the mediums either. But this is an extra small endless rose, and it's really cute little blouse. It's got like a elastic on the shoulders, so it could be like maybe off the shoulders. And it's got this cute little bow here. And the fabric is sheer, but it has the little details in the fabric. You can see that. The sleeves have the elastic at the ends. Really cute. Really cute blouse. And maybe, I don't know, 25, 30 for this one maybe. And of course, like I said, I'll have to do comps on them. Just kind of guessing right now. And last piece, a Jack by BB Dakota. And this one's a medium. Tag. And this is like a little blouse. It's got like the elastic waist, button down. It's got the snap buttons. Front two pockets here. Pockets down here. really good layering piece. Elastic waist in the back. Really cute. Olive color, medium. I would say maybe list this one at 50 maybe. See how it does. And that is my whole box. So let me make sure I've got 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty sash. 6. 7. And look, this has too like a little kind of like ruffles and ruches and ruffles down here. So I think it would be really fitting, form-fitting and kind of flary at the bottom. But 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is what I got in my 10-piece Revolve Nordstrom box from B&G Trading. And I think it's good. I think it's a win. We'll see how these do on my Poshmark. If you're interested in any of them, I'm going to link my closet down in the comments. What was your favorite outfit? What was your favorite piece? And if you know any of these pieces, give me a holler. Tell me how much it's worth and if it's any good. Tell me if you think this box is good. Thanks for watching, and this is my second video, so give me some feedback so I can make it better. Thank you.